Hello, once again. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management, and I'll welcome you to the weekend. Today is Saturday, May 9th, 2009. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. I want to wish all the mothers, grandmothers, and great-grandmothers, and so forth a happy Mother's Day tomorrow. To reach my blog here, you can reach it at knightcapitalmanagement.com or at knightcapitalmanagement.blogspot.com. You can find me at YouTube under the trader. My trader's name is Trade Craze, and we can take a look at that just a little bit. But I'd like for you, if you to get the email updates or to learn a little bit more about what I do or the trades I like here in the futures market, just put your name, your email, as much as you'd like to share with me. Submit this, and I will, once a week or once every other week, I send an email out, or if I see something that I really like or I want to let you know about it, I'll send some information on that as well. I will not sell your name. I promise I will not sell or spam you. Whenever you'd like to leave, that's fine. Just take your name off the email list, and that's it. That's all there's all about it. You have a remove link towards the end of the email through the Aweber service, and anytime you'd like to leave or come back, no problem with it as it relates to that. The trade that we're going to talk about today was on Wednesday, May 6, 2009. And we had an interesting trade on Monday in the ES market, the E-mini S&P here. But the trade I'd like to concentrate on is actually on Wednesday. It was a spike reversal bar in the afternoon. It happened roughly at 1:45 p.m. Eastern time. And we was able to capture some profits along the way. We were able to capture every two contracts traded. Our first contract off was able to knock out $200, and the second contract off at 917 off a 909 entry was able to get, that's 8 points, $50 a point, and we were able to get $400, and that was a total trade of $600. You've seen me put some big trades out there at times, but this is the meat and definitely the potatoes, the meat and potatoes of the business, excuse me, of being able to capture some of these small little profits here to continue to your account growing, or if you're having a week where you're having a hard time getting any wins. If you take one of these wins like this, you can have a 2-win, 6 break-even, and 5 losses, and still have a gain in your account. It's still possible. And so anyway, I think that's what's important about finding the right trading strategy, the right trading method to go on. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit further about some other things here. As a lot of you know, I have partnered with Rockwell Trading, and I run live trading room through Rockwell Trading. I want to come here to rockwelltrading.com, and we've added a new little feature here. There's a Start Here button, and I would encourage you to just go ahead and press this, Start Here, and as long as it's here, why not take advantage of it? This ebook that I paid $15.95 for is being given away for free as a PDF file, a free download, and you actually, if you add to this information behind this, there's another free download to get if you add a couple extra traders. Excellent information. I own this book, The Complete Guide to Day Trading. It's an excellent beginning trade book. There's a 2-minute video here with our CEO, Marcus Highcutter. I'd highly encourage you watch the video real quick, fill out your information, send me the ebook, add a couple extra friends if you like, get the extra download for the Day Trading Mind. Another excellent PDF file as well. And just go ahead and do it. I think that you'll be pleasantly surprised. It's a really nice book. You've seen me show this book in videos. Last year it came out. It's not even a year old yet. And anyway, to make a long story short, just go ahead and fill out the information. I think you'll enjoy being able to read that. If there's any questions or concerns or anything that I can do to help you, just please let me know. You send me an email at tiger@rockwelltrading.com, or you can also send it, if you'd like to send it to my Gmail account. It's TradeCraze, TradeCraze @gmail.com. So let's go ahead and move on. Okay, you know that I like to do this now, and when I like to put a video out. What we have in front of us now, looks like it's Central Standard Time once again. Let me take a look at crude oil. It looks like Federal Chairman. This is Eastern Standard Time here. We're looking at Monday, May 11th. On Monday, we have a red report coming in here. Federal Chairman Bernanke speaking, so we'll keep our eyes peeled for that. We look at Tuesday, being May 12th here. The trade balance is going to be an important report that'll be another red report that we'll be looking at. On Wednesday, we got the core retail sales and retail sales coming out at 8:30. And since we do trade crude oil inventories is also coming out at 10:30 a.m. And Thursday here, to wrap up our trading week, you can see that we have a PPI and unemployment claims that will be coming out on Thursday. And all these reports is what we're going to be looking for. Obviously, with the talking heads being Bernanke, Obama, and Geithner, we'll keep our eyes on them too through another website. And if we see something that we need to make you aware of, I'll let you know. Okay, so once again, we're here in front of the trade. This is the ES market. It's a 15-minute bar on the classical template supplied by Rockwell Trading. Once again, I am a partner with Rockwell Trading, and I really enjoy the classical template. We're looking at the ADR, and we're looking at here being major resistance. This is the high of the previous day. You can see the high created by the first bar, and you can see that we were kind of hanging out here all day basically, hadn't really made a move. And if you know anything about me, I like to trade in the afternoon occasionally when I think it might have a good chance for a breakout scenario. This was a good chance of a breakout scenario in front of Friday being the employment numbers being released. Money's going to be moving one way or the other, and there was the leak on this day about the bank stress information being released a little bit early, a little better than expected. The banks didn't need as much money and so forth. And this kind of trade was kind of based upon a little bit of information, and also, as we'll see, a spike reversal bar. So let's go ahead and move forward here. Let me get one more bar in there. All right, so here's the spike reversal, this blue triangle that we look at here at Rockwell Trading. This is called a spike reversal bar. This usually indicates a general direction, change of direction here. We have a close. If we kind of focus in a little bit, you can see that this close, I know we had a bunch of closes at this time, but this close was a stronger close. We kind of beat through all this other information up through here, and now we're in a strong position, and we want to put our entry a little above the high of this spike bar and take a shot for the ADR. That's the upper average daily rate. So I'm going to go ahead and put my information on the charts once again so you can see exactly how I set this trade up. So now we're looking at my trade setup. I'm looking to go long at 909, which happens to be above the bars. Also looking above this area right here. This looks like a good 2 ticks above 908.5. Make the market make a new high, and then see if we could reach up here to 913, and then reach up here to 919, a little below 919.75, which is the upper average daily range. As you know, this can move, and as you noticed in the trade before, you saw that I moved it down to 917 as we got closer to that area. But this is how I originally set up the trade. As you can tell, 909 to 919, that's 10 points, which would be equal to $500 in the E-mini S&P in this case. So 10 points, $50 a point, or I guess that would be what, 40 well, anyway, make a long story short, 10 points here to reach up here to get to 919 and reach for $500. And this right here, between here and here, is 4 points, or $50 a point, times 4 points is $200. So here's your 200. This would have been 500. 500. So total possible in this trade we're looking at 700, risking in this case $300 as we're looking at this. Okay, the time right here is like 148, 149. We got filled at 909. Right here on the opening of their next bar, or the 2 to 215 bar, we were able to receive the 913 here and get our 200, move our stops up here to break even, and now we're shooting for the higher target up here. Okay, so here's our next bar printed. Once again, we're sitting up here. We're able to reach up here to the 909.25 on our green aggressive trailing stop, and now we're at the point where we're seeing exactly where this market's going to go. We've already taken one off here at 913. We're looking at 919 to make this move up here, and let's see what happens on this next bar. As you can see, we're struggling to get up higher here, and this is when I decided to move down to 917, and this is where we is able to get our profit of 600 400 and 200 to making 600. And here's our bar that we received 917 to make 600, 400 and 200 to make 600 on this trade. Once again, this is Dave Knight at Knight Capital Management. I wish you the best trades and good trades, everyone. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.